Are you wondering if you can share your YouTube TV subscription with family members? It's a common question, especially for households looking to enjoy live TV and on-demand content together. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how YouTube TV can be shared with family. Whether you're trying to set up access for everyone in your home or just want to understand the rules, you're in the right place. So let's get into it. YouTube TV makes it easy to share your subscription with family members who live in the same household. Each account allows you to create up to 6 unique user profiles, and each profile comes with its own personalized recommendations, DVR library, and settings. This means everyone in your home can enjoy their favorite shows without interfering with someone else's preferences. However, it's important to note that YouTube TV is intended for use within a single household. Sharing your account with family members who live elsewhere is against the terms of service. Additionally, YouTube TV allows up to 3 simultaneous streams at once, so multiple people can watch at the same time without any issues. If this video helped you understand how to share YouTube TV with your family, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!